In this video, we will see sorting and filtering in SQL. Basically, sorting and filtering are two basic operations that whenever we deal with data, we make use of. So we'll initially start with sorting. What sorting does is basically it orders the data. So we will have like large tables which has multiple rows. Normally when we deal with real life business situations, it can have millions and billions of rows. So during that time, when we aggregate the data and when we want to see some result and all, we will be using sorting to order the result in a particular manner. Either the result should be in ascending order based on some aggregated values, or the result should be in descending order based on some values. And the sorting can also be based on either string columns or numerical columns, or can be based on some columns which have some characters also. For that, to show all this, we will be using the supplier table. Let me query the supplier table first, then we will try to sort the data based on few columns and see what are the results. I am querying the entire supplier table. Now we have the supplier table. So what we will try to do is, we will sort the supplier table based on the descending order of the city. So for that, how we will do that is, we already wrote a query to select the complete entire supplier table. Inside that, we will use the order by clause, and what we have to do is, we are going to sort the table based on the descending order of city. Descending order of city. So what we will do is, order by, and the column is city based on descending order. Now if we run this query, we can see that the output is ordered based on the descending order of the city. As you can see, the topmost column is having the city which is starting with Z, then T, then S, then based on different alphabets, it's getting ordered. And one thing to take care is that, see, when we don't use this descending in the syntax, by default the order will be ascending. So if we want to order this based on the ascending order of the city, we don't have to use ascending syntax here. We just have to write select star from supplier and order by city. Then if we run this query, we can see this will be ordered based on city itself. But now what happens is, it is ordered based on the ascending order of the city. Also we can write ascending syntax here as well. Instead of descending, we will use ASC. So earlier we used DESC. In order to sort in ascending order, we use ASC. Now let us run this query. We will get the same result only, because either way it is sorting in ascending order. Now sort the column based on supplier ID in its descending order, which means the supplier ID which is the maximum, like highest supplier ID should come at the top. So how it does is that, the only change is we are going to change the column here. Instead of that, we will be using the column supplier ID. Instead of the city, we will use supplier ID, and we want to order it based on the descending order. For that, we are using DESC syntax. Now let us run this query and see what is the result. Now as you can see, the result is based on the descending order of supplier ID. Now let us move on to filtering. Now what is filtering? Filtering is, if we want rows which satisfy a specific condition, for that we will use filtering operation. Let us frame a question. So the question is selecting the rows for which supplier IDs are even. Selecting the rows for which supplier ID is even. For this, we will use where clause and we will filter the data. Now the result expected is only the rows which consist of supplier IDs which are even numbers, that is supplier IDs like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and all. Now let me write the query. Select star from the table is supplier. Now we will use the where clause to filter the data, where supplier ID we will use this operator divided by 2 equal 0, which means the modulus is going to be 0. Now let me run this query and we will see the result. Now as you can see, in the result we only have rows which consist of the even supplier IDs, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and all. Now if you want to order this result in descending order of the supplier ID, how we will do that is, after this where clause we will do order by supplier ID, supplier ID in descending order. Now what will happen is, the result will be sorted based on supplier ID in descending order. Now let us run this query and you can see the supplier ID is sorted in descending order with the highest supplier ID at the top, that is 28. Also in the result we can see only supplier IDs which are even. We can do this filtering on different columns. What we are going to do is, we are going to find the countries which are starting with A. So how that will do is, so country name starting with A, select star from supplier where country. In these cases we will use like clause and like, and it is starting with A. After A we will put a %sign, then we will close using a single quotes. Now let us run this and see what is the result. See, in the result now we can see we have rows which only has country which start with A. Similarly, if I change this to this A to F, we will get the rows which have country starting with F. Also, now if you want to filter the data based on a city, we want to find the rows which have city as Paris. So the city name should be Paris. So the syntax will be select star from the table is supplier where city equal Paris. Now if I run this query, I will get the results with city only as Paris. Yeah, now we have the result with city as Paris. Again, if we want to include multiple values in this city condition, how we will do that is using an in clause. So instead of this equal to, we will be using an in. So I want the results with city, results with city as Paris, Tokyo, Osaka. So how I will do that is, instead of this equal, I will put in clause and will put this inside a bracket, and along with Paris I will include the other values as well, that is Tokyo, the other one is Osaka. Now let me run this query and see the result. Now we have the result with city, Tokyo, Osaka and Paris. So these are the basic filtering operations that we commonly use. Also there are different operators that we can use in where clause, like exist, then the other one is not exist, then the next one is between, then there is all, then other operator is any. These are some of the some of other operators that we can use along with where clause and inside subquery or nested query, etc. Thank you.